Hey everyone, Jay from JB here, and today's JBTV is all about the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 and the Galaxy Z Flip6, the latest Galaxy AI foldable phones from Samsung. Whether you're already living in the folding phone lifestyle or are new to the game, what the Galaxy Z Fold6 and Z Flip6 can do for you are literally bending the rules of phones. Plus, Galaxy AI is here and more powerful than ever on these devices, meaning you can do more and do it better. Now let's take a closer look. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6, putting PC-like power in your pocket. The Galaxy Z Fold6 is the multitasking master, designed for work, play, and everything in between. The massive screen inside is the slimmest, lightest, most immersive, and productive on a Galaxy Fold ever. Plus, that handy cover display is there too for easy phone use without unfolding. You can have up to 4 apps open on this massive inside display, so you can stream, shop, browse, and game on the go. Speaking of gaming, you can enjoy silky smooth gaming with Vulkan. Paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform inside for a hyper-realistic gaming experience. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6, your self-expression tool that is more compact and eye-catching with the 4 beautiful pastel color tones to choose from. The Galaxy Z Flip6 is the latest AI-powered pocket-sized smartphone with a new floating design that is modern, slim, and sleek, making this the most compact Galaxy Flip phone yet. You can snap the perfect shot on the new pro-level 50-megapixel camera that's photo shoot ready, capturing stunning shots day or night with nightography. For more ways to capture photos and your best angle, there's FlexCam, which uses auto zoom to zoom in or out on subjects for that perfect hands-free selfie. And you can even preview or edit your shots with generative edit from the Flex window. There is so much the Galaxy Z Fold6 and Z Flip6 can do, and there's more than ever before because of Galaxy AI. In terms of what Galaxy AI can do for you, it's rather endless, but let's cover some of the best features. See something you like while browsing on the net? Simply circle to search with Google and get results instantly. To make a long story short, try Note Assist with Galaxy AI for a quick summary at the push of a button. Or remaster your photos like a pro with AI-powered generative edit, bringing your photos to a professional level of perfection without heaps of apps. Plus, you can use Galaxy AI to remove photo bombers, resize objects, or remix it completely. Looking to express yourself? Use the Galaxy AI Flex window to customize your widgets and generate unique AI wallpapers, custom widgets, and your favorite apps. Lost in translation? Galaxy AI is your passport to communication, working as your personal interpreter for easy two-way communication. Or making phone calls overseas? Translate conversations in real time and see a live transcript generated with Galaxy AI's Live Translate. Lost for words? Type in a few keywords and Chat Assist AI will generate the rest. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 and Z Flip6 are bending the rules by folding and flipping with powerful Galaxy AI tools and the latest smartphone tech inside. Whether it's a powerful PC-like phone or a compact self-expression phone, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 and Galaxy Z Flip6 have got you covered. To check out one yourself, pop into your local JB, or of course you can always shop online at jbhifi.co.nz.